Hey guys, welcome to Draw Day. So I just want to thank everyone who's liked, commented, subscribed to my videos, and everyone who's been a long time subscriber, thank you very much. And so what I've done is I've taken everyone's comments from the last video, I've chopped them all up and I've put them in the bowl, and all we're going to do is mix these up and have that draw for that $100. Alright, so let's get to it. So just swirl these around, and then now I'll reach in, pull one out, and who do we got? We have Poppy Bisco. Poppy Bisco, and what does Poppy have to say? Poppy says, "Great camping, scary crash. Please donate to the animals if I win." All right, and by donate to the animals, I assume she means to like an animal shelter or something like that. So I'll donate to my local SPCA, I guess. And otherwise, I just want to thank everyone again for participating and being a subscriber. And maybe we'll do this again at 2,000 subscribers. All right, we'll see you guys next time.